Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive Shein haul. I spent way too much money at Shein. I also have a part 2 coming of just straight bikinis. I bought so many bikinis as well. I was going to put them all in one video, but that means my video is going to be so long. I ordered so much stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with all the skirts that I got. The first one I got is this leopard cheetah print ruffle skirt. The material kind of feels like a windbreaker, which is kind of weird, but it doesn't look like it when you're wearing it. And I also really like the fact that it feels that way because it kind of keeps you cool in the summer, and it's super cute, so I'm really excited to wear this. The next skirt I got is this plaid one. It's super stretchy, and I prefer skirts that have this because I feel like they're way more comfortable than zip-ups, but it just has the little split there, and I think it's super cute. The next two skirts are pretty similar. Floral, of course. Floral's a huge thing this summer, and I feel like it kind of is every summer, but this one's just red, also has another notch in it. I think it's super cute, and I'm very excited to wear this one. And then this one, which is the exact same thing. It's not zipped up, but it's very cute. I love the dainty little flowers. Super cute. How many times am I gonna say that? I don't know. I also got some shorts. So this pair is just some, it's not tied up, but they're just some striped tie-up shorts, kind of the paper bag ones. Love these. Super comfy and flowy for the summer. Love them. These are just your typical comfy shorts, but I have to get a pair of these every year because they are just so comfy and they go with everything. So if you don't have a pair of these, definitely get some. I also got this pair of gingham shorts. Super cute, kind of fit a little weird, but I still will wear them. These are a staple for me. Now moving on to tanks and tees, I got this really cute rose flowery ruffle shirt. Will never ever get enough of floral. You're gonna see so much of it, but I think this is super cute, not even just for the summer, but I can wear this throughout the whole year. I did get a couple of graphic tees just to kind of add them in there. This one is just a purple t-shirt. Love it. I think it kind of gives me like basketball vibes and it just says California West Coast. Super comfy, great material. That's one thing about Shein that I will say, like, even though it's so cheap, the material is always great and comfy, so don't hesitate to buy it. And then another sort of graphic tee that I got is another tee that says West Coast. It's super stretchy and comfy. Anything with words on it just kind of looks cute with a pair of shorts, anything graphic, so got those. It's a knit kind of ribbed ruffle sleeve and bottom shirt. Don't know how to explain it, but it's really cute, and I think that it'll go with anything. I have been looking for a shirt like this for what feels like forever. I finally found one, and the material is so soft and it's just so cute. It's like a baby doll tee. I don't really know what you would want to call this, but it's super comfy, and I feel like kind of would go with jeans or jean shorts really well. Also got this tiny little spaghetti strap, whatever you want to call it, bralette, and I think it's going to be super cute for the skirts that I got. Again, with the floral, I got this purple tank, and I think it's really cute. I'm just gonna keep saying cute, but I love it, and it fits really well and accentuates the tatas. I've seen so many girls get this but in the dress version, but I really wanted the tank top version because I can wear it whenever and not just in the summer. So I got this. It's a light blue, roughly cinched. I don't even know what this would be called, but it's super cute on, and I love it. I'm really into like cheetah and leopard print this summer, so I got this tank top. This also looks really flattering up here, and the material is also really silky. I'm gonna move on to dresses. I got quite a few dresses from Shein this time around. They're all screwed up from the try-on portion of this, but there we go. This one is floral. Can you guess it? Well, you just did. So super cute top. Love how it does this, and all the way down it's tight from your back, and then it just kind of ruffles out and looks super cute. For floral dress, I really like this one. It is straight, so it doesn't really give you that flattering look. Kind of looks like a maternity dress, not gonna lie, but it would be cute over top of like a bathing suit or something. Also, I do have to adjust the straps, but when I tried it on, I felt like this didn't really fit my upper area very well. So if you get this, just be aware that it's not very like fitting. It's more loose, but I guess some people like that. Now this one I really like. This color is so beautiful. Very confusing. The buttons just really make the dress. I love it. And the end is also really ruffly like the other one I showed you guys. V-neck, also really flattering for the upper area, and I just really love this dress. This one's not floral, it is striped. This one is really form-fitting, sticks to you basically. Just stripes, and it has the, I don't even know what these straps are called, but you know what straps these are. And it's really cute, and it fits and makes the butt look awesome. And this dress, I wasn't too sure about when I first got it, but it is a t-shirt dress, I guess. It has sleeves, it's not done up all the way, but as you can see, there's buttons to tie it up, or not tie it up, button it up, and then there's a string to wrap around. The end is super frilly. The front is a little bit shorter than the back, so probably shouldn't bend over with this on, but I love the orange. I'm not a huge orange person, but the orange and white and everything with this just looks really cute. Kind of reminds me of like something a teacher would wear. And then the last dress I got, very basic, just a black t-shirt dress that's not right side out here, and it just has the cuff sleeves, and the bottom isn't like skin tight, which is awesome. I love t-shirt dresses that are actually like t-shirts and loose. I've had t-shirt dresses that are tight and it just makes no sense. And the last few things I'm going to show you are just accessories. So I got this bucket hat. It's like a gray, bleachy looking black hat. I've never owned a bucket hat in my life. Figured it might be cute for the beach. Doesn't really fit me right because I have a fat head, but it's okay. I also got these sunglasses, which is kind of cool that they come in these cute case, this cute case, and it says Shein on it. The only thing that I didn't know about them is that they have pearls on the end, which honestly, like, you can't see them when they're like behind you anyway, so it doesn't matter that much, but they are super cute. They're a little bit big for my face, but I actually really like them, and you can't even tell that there's pearls unless I'm like really trying to show you, but I really like these. These are really cute, and I can't wait to wear them at the beach. I also got this double ring gold belt, black with the gold rings. I have never had one, and I know that they were like a big thing a couple years ago, but it's okay, I'm a little late, doesn't matter, I'm still gonna wear it, love it. Also got some gold chain bracelets. So looks like this. Obviously I can make it tighter, but I just want to show you guys like this. I love this, and then it also comes with one like this, so I can do two at once. Super cute, will look really pretty with a fancy outfit. And this summer's trend has been butterflies, and I've always had a thing for butterflies. So I got this necklace. I think it's supposed to be like not a choker, but tighter around my neck. They have little butterflies all over them, and I think it's so cute. And they even came with the matching earrings too, so I can just clip them in, and I think that's so pretty. And I'm pretty sure the earring and the necklace set was only like $5, which is why I love Shein, because everything's so unbelievably cheap. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I got from Shein besides the bikinis, which will be coming in another video. If you guys can be patient, I will get it out as soon as possible. But I really hope you enjoyed this try-on haul from Shein. If you guys want to know anything about it, have any questions, let me know. It only took about 2.5 weeks to get to me, which is pretty fast, I would say. So if you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up, comment suggestions for future videos down below, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.